Hello everyone. In Panda series, the next project is PM Modi foreign visit. Means how many times PM Modi visit the foreign. Run this both library is Pandas and second is Matplotlib. Matplotlib we know that it used for the using for plot or visualization. So it's working. Then next is this is the data set. Uh, is it Bhutan? How many days PM Modi stay there? Mm, is 10 days. All these are countries is given. I have also sent this link in description box. You can check out it. So there is a DF and this is the Excel file. That's why I'm using the Excel. If there is CSV file, then I am using the CSV because it is Excel. So pd dot read underscore Excel. This is the path. Next, it show 5 rows and columns. Next, I want to remove the index. This is the index because this is a serial and this is the index. So if you see the index is removed, okay. Is next I want to give the caption. Like you can say that is a like it's work like a heading or title you can say. So this is the I give the title df dot style dot set caption. Is caption is my PM Modi foreign visits. So you can give any caption, use any caption. So this is the caption which I have used. Second, next I want to shorting the place which countries visit. So is ascending is equal to false. So it's show the last alphabetically. By default ascending value is true, but if we want to see the want to show you the sorting, then we give the false. So first is Vietnam, then second is Uzbekistan. Now again is start with the decreasing value to show the decrease. Next I want to count the value, how many countries PM Modi how many times we PM Modi visit which company, like USA, how many times visit the USA. So it's give the total of the number, total number. It's give the total number that the USA he visit the USA in 4 times or 5 times. So it's count the country values, how many. So USA it visit 5 times, Nepal is 4 times, China 4, Russia 4, like Singapore 4. All these countries are mentioned there. So it give the count value. We know that always use for the count the value, which value you want to count. It's count the column value. Okay. Next I want to see that how many days is there. I am giving the condition that if how many days is they stay is greater than is 4 days. So if prime minister stay it show you all countries where prime minister stay above the 4 days. So how many countries they stay above the 4 days. So these are the country name: USA and Argentina. Number of days 6 and 5. because there is I have give the condition greater than 4, so that's why it show the 65655. Next, I want to remove this value will not receive. This is the expensive. How many expensive um, is when the prime minister visit the any country, that how many expenses are used for visit. So there is somewhere it show the character value will not receive, so I want to remove all these values. If you see the data set, there is lot of will not receive, will not receive, so I want to remove these values. So where I is a data set name and df where I pass the expenses column values and not equal to will not receive. So we run this. So there you so you see that it removed the all values. Will not receive, there is no any values in will not receive. Again I want to remove this value IAFBB aircraft. So same thing I have used like above. So it's only give the warning, so no problem. So if you see that this value is removed, IAFB aircraft is 87 values, and also two three value three. So there is no any value, the 1 2 3, there is no any this type of values. So it's remove all values, both are the same method, but there is some difference. There I am using the equal sign, and in place is equal to 2. We can also use there is in place of true, because in place of true it show the present value remain the same, which we change the value, it's remain the same. If I am not giving the in place of true, so it show the next I run any value that it show the same IAFBB aircraft. So we want the original data set, that's why we use the in place of true. Okay, next I want to see the how many um, expenses are invest in prime minister. So it's count the value. If they visit the Nepal in 4 times, that how many values in 4 times, it count their all 4 time value and give the output. So there is the values are there, that it is 6 times it visit he visit, then it give the 19729 something. All these country where they give the it's give the value. There is a one time, and there is three times. So it's count the total value of the expense. Now I want to filter, I am using a filter, or you can say I fetch the value only USA, how many times they visit the USA, because I am not satisfied with the all values, that it show the all values, but I want a single country value. So that time I am using the this value dot count, and then this is the column name, and this is the column value, which column I want to see the. So it's a USA, they it prime minister visit the 5 time in USA. Next is a I want to see the time, date and time. 15/6/2014 Prime Minister visit these days in foreign countries. These are also these two method you can also try this. These two method also is work same. So this is the only warning, so don't worry. Next is it's also the second method. It show the same output. You which is suitable to you. You can use the period or daytime df period, period of the visit from to daytime, and then period of the, it's give the same output as above, but the code is different. So it's according to you, which I am also mentioned the second method. Next, I want to see the data types, which types of data is present in my data set. So place of visit is objective type, period of visit from to date time, and to period of visit to is also date time, 64-bit. Number of days is float type. Expenses incurred on charter flight is also object type. So these are mostly object type. Next, I am using that prefix. You know the prefix and suffix. Prefix means that we add something in a first, in first, like a Python. It's a small project, and I am using the different things also. So hope you like it. My Sunita, that it's a Kumari, that is KM is a prefix. I want to prefix the my name is Kumari or anything, Mrs. Mr. anything you want to prefix. Prefix means you can prefix the value in the starting way. So I prefix, and then you give the which value you want to prefix. Like I told you that I want to prefix the Kumari. So Mr. I want to prefix the Mr. So where I am prefix the Narendra. So this it show the starting is a Narendra, serial number Narendra, place of visit Narendra. So all are, it's a prefix value. Same thing is a suffix is in it used the last, like my surname is Bakshi, it's used to the last. So where the which value I want to suffix Modi it show in the last. So is where we use the underscore, underscore also use the underscore, then give the value which you want to suffix, means use in the last sentence, or heading. So there is a serial number Modi, place of visit Modi, period of visit from Modi. It's use the last. Now I am using the visualization. It means histogram. I am using the histogram. The DF is dataset name, and where I am defining the HIS histogram. So this is the histogram where it give the serial name, because it use there we it's use only numeric value, visit from and visit to, and number of days. They show you all the diagram. Next, I want the plot the histogram, where my title, it also show the title also. I give the title also. So if we run that it's give the PM Modi foreign visit, that this is the saffron color show the number of days, and blue color is show the serial number. So it should give the frequency 80, 80, it's give the 80 frequency, and there is LEA length is a. So and this is the program where I am using the
Thanks for watching.
Python